Hello guys, good morning, and this is Naresh, your host from Auto Cars India, and today is a bit different day as you know the summer holidays are on, and as usual nowadays kids get a lot of homework to do, a lot of projects to do, a lot of things to do in their holidays, so they are never free. And as a part of this project, parents also get involved in that. So today I am with Ekagra, my son. Here is he. Hi Ekagra. So the thing is, he has got a project where he needs to go to Chennai War Cemetery and capture the moments there. So I thought of making a vlog and thought of just starting home, and we'll make this video as we are moving, and we are going to start from house. On the way, beautiful weather, but it's not so beautiful as it looks like. It's damn hot. Temperatures are touching around 35-36 degrees Celsius, but clear blue skies, and try to take a 360-degree view from the car. It looks amazing from the sunroof. Yeah, I was telling you, it's pretty hot. It's about 35-36 degrees Celsius, and somehow, this place is going to be awesome, I feel, and it's going to be informative. That's more important about it. So let's enjoy it together as we are moving. So on the way we see some celebrations. This is Tamil New Year celebrations on the way. Looks nice. They are washing off the road. Let's continue with journey. So there we go. We reached Madras War Cemetery. Looks to be a very cool place. The veterans are sleeping in peace here. World War I and World War II. This is the entrance, and this is very interesting. There is a lockbox there. Ekagra is going to show us what is there in that box. Ekagra, can you open it please for me? Yes, that's the box which opens. So it has two folders inside. One book is 1940-1918 First World War, 1939-45 Second World War. It has detail of all the martyrs, Britishers who have laid their lives during the World War times. And the second one is a visitor book, where every visitor who comes there, he signs in this book and mentions its presence. So that's a pretty nice way to keep the remembrances here. So here is Mr. Venkatraman. He is the caretaker here for the cemetery. There are 4 to 5 people who takes care of this cemetery, upkeep of it. Unfortunately, I cannot give the voice of this gentleman as it's not allowed. But that's very natural. That's the place. Total 880 plus cemetery contains the people who have been laid down to rest here, and a lot of stories have been told by the caretaker. I do not know how far they are true, but they are very heart-touching stories, mentioning that there was one of the main stories where one soldier laid his life and his wife was pregnant. So he wrote a letter to a would-be kid, future kid, and his wife, say that I'm going to die and please don't forget me. And that son of that soldier, who is in Britain, he came here last year, and he was sitting with remembering his father for almost half an hour, 45 minutes here. One cemetery you see far away, that's a very interesting cemetery also. It's of one of the soldier who was lost in the war and understood to be lost his life in Andaman Nicobar. So they made the grave here. While we walk, Ekagra wants to see who was the youngest person, who was the oldest person who have been part of this place.
is another structure which has been erected here in memory of the soldiers whose names are honored here, and they served and died during the 1914-1918, the First World War, and are buried elsewhere in India. So that is what the names are there, all those soldiers.
With this, I leave you with the captured images for this place, Chennai War Cemetery. Beautiful place, and in remembrances of the British soldiers who ruled India for South Base in Chennai. Nice place to be resting for these great souls of Britishers. May God rest their souls in peace. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.